How to add music to a YouTube video. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys a few methods to add music to your YouTube video. The first thing you're going to have to do is go to youtube.com and hit enter. So if you want to edit your existing videos and add music to it, you can do that by adding music from YouTube's library. So you can do that by tapping on the profile icon and going over to YouTube Studio. Once your YouTube Studio is open, go to your content and find the video that you want to edit. Then click on this details option. And once you go here, go to the editor option. Now click on get started. So you'll have your video on your timeline. Now click on this plus icon right beside audio to add an audio from YouTube library. Now just search for a audio that meets the genre of the video. So let's just search for a random audio. Now you can just preview the audio by playing this track. And if you are happy with it, you can just go ahead and tap on this plus icon to add it to your timeline. You can even adjust the length of the audio and the part of the audio that you want on your video. So once you've done that, click on save and click on confirm changes. You should be good to go. But you have to note that this only allows you to add audios from YouTube's library. So if you want to add your own audio, what you can do is download your video first. So go ahead and click on this option and then download it. So I'm going to revert it back to original first and then save the changes. And once that is done, you can go to details and then download the video. Click on the three dots, download it. Now go to an online editor, something like v.io. Here you can add your own audio. So make sure to log into your account first. Then you can create a new project here. So let me just go ahead and click on the new project option. And then from here, you can upload a file from your PC. So I'm just going to upload the file that I have just downloaded. So let's just choose our file. I'm going to go to downloads and then select this. Once you've selected your video, you can go to the audio tab and upload your own audio. So tap on upload. And then here you can upload your own MP3 file. So here I've got this random file MP3, which I can add to my track. And then you can export it and upload it on your YouTube. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.